Well, you're right, guys. You can probably tell I've got quite a lot of anti-pigeon devices in place. I am sick of them. I've lost nearly everything. Even my onions have been packed away. I'll show you around in a minute. In fact, it's going to be a very quick video this week because I've got the plant sale tomorrow and Malvern Spring show on Sunday. So I'll get out what I can, you know. Right, I want to get a couple of aubergines. Yes, one of each. That's the Vistera and the Black Pearl, and a basket of fire chili in. And I'm going to have a feeling I have to cut off pretty quick because someone's coming to see me. There's the grass man. Yeah. Oh. How you doing, mate? All right? Right, quick adjournment for a chat. I've got my hat because I'm burning already. Right, I got one aubergine in. That is, which one's that? That is Black Pearl. I'm going to put a chili in the middle. And I'll tell you what, Nigel, thanks very much for recommending this tool, buddy. It is perfect. It's a little bit hard to get to, but a trowel, a little bit hard to use, but a trowel would be even harder, you know what I mean? And I'll tell you what, this straw is nice and warm underneath. So I'm just going to dig a little divot, dig a hole. I'll do it. It's only a small chili in it. Yeah. Cool. That's lovely in there. It's not warm enough to damage the plants. It's just nice and warm. This is a basket of fire. So he goes in there, nice and firm. Loads of mulch. That can go somewhere. And one more in here. This will be the main plants in this bale, and I'll get a few little odds and ends around the outside. There we go. Cool. Right, a bit of water in them. But first of all, thanks to Jane Kelly, Jane's Growing Garden. Recommended, or might recommended, or on her channel, might recommended, using copper pan scourers to put round your plants to stop slugs. So anyway, I looked a bit online, and you can get this copper mesh tube in, and you're going to put it over the plant through it. Which I try that? Yeah, I'll put it over the whole plant. Look. Or you can just wrap it around the bottom and tie it up. And slugs don't like crossing it. It gives them an electric shock or something when their juice is mixed with the copper. So this one, I'll just tie a knot in it. Never tried this before, but I have been, as I call it, mullered. Slugs and pigeons, absolutely terrible. So let's put that there. Oh dear. Right, let's try that. Put those away, get a bit of water and show you around. Here we are. Got a couple of cucumbers over here. The slugs have had a go at them again, and a couple of broad beans. Just to try them out. Right then, I think it's time for a look round, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, started off on the 8 straw bales at the top of the plot. Got some broad beans in there. They're bunyards, I think. No, they're not. They're Grano Violetto. Got trailers around the outside, Bocana, and some more trailers on the edges there. That's Lobelia. Orange bomb in there. In fact, I'm going to prune that back a bit, make it bushier. Do that now. There we are. More cuttings, I'll take those home with me. Right, training the Lobelia in there again. Got some marigolds on the end, see if they're going to work this time and not get pigeoned or slugged. I think it was slugs on the marigolds. Shallots, onions, leeks, and potatoes. And I just noticed potatoes are popping up. Well, one of them anyway. More shallots and red barren onions there. Don't know if you can make out with the onions. It's been chewed off at the top. Really, really weird. Peas in there, and what I've been doing, I put the peas in, and I've been scattering lavender trimmings and scattering some smelly old spices. Not old spice, but old spices, because pigeons don't like strong smells apparently. And I've got all these tapes and things, scared them off. Tomatoes will be growing in here. Another quick weeding, get rid of this rose bay willow herb. Bunyard's exhibition in here. And Bolivian cucumbers in there. That's where I've just been working on those bales. That's the 2 avocados and a chilli. A couple of cucumbers and things at the end. A couple of cucumbers down here amongst that grass. And over there, I'll probably re-sow them. And over this side, ooh, the peas here, you can't even see them, totally devastated, totally all gone. Loads of blossom on the apples, loads of strigs on the red currants. Looking forward to some fruit on them this year. Not a lot on the pear tree again this year, but it's looking alright. Pond, yeah, there are new frogs in there now, so shan't disturb them. You get too close to them, they go crunch. Loads of black currants, fingers crossed I get a decent harvest this year. In fact, they are forming, look. Last year I had millions of flowers with no berries. Can you see those? Yeah. Loads, brilliant. I think I'm putting brassicas in here, I can't remember now. Oh no, maybe marrows and squashes, I can't remember. Got some nasturtiums at the end. Self-sown nasturtiums over there in my runner bean frame. And a volunteer potato. The runner beans are sown at home, so that won't be too long now. Jasmine, doing its thing, climbing, looking pretty. Spinach and, can't remember which onions they are now in there. They're alright. Brassicas mixed in there, we got all sorts. We got sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, the lot in there. Interplanted with Fletcher's white onions. Peas in here with some glittery tape again. I must admit, I thought I'd put some brassicas in there as well, but I haven't, so I'll have to do that. Second planting of marigolds in one of the tomato frames. The other lot were just totally devastated by pigeons and slugs, so again we got lavender. Spare bed here, sweet peas. They're kicking in a bit now, they're taking a while to get going. All around the outside we got buckets of spuds again, I got to water those. Elephant garlic, that won't be long now. Nasturtiums, spare framey hoopy thing there. And marback peas in there. Garlic either end of this bed. And loads of rose bay willow herb in the middle. Like I said, I got a couple of busy days, so Monday we'll have a good weeding session. A couple of calla lilies. And you can only just see it by the sign there. There's a fuchsia there. And a fuchsia there. Not looking too bad at all. Well, here we are guys, a quick look round the Slimbridge Gardening Club plant sale this morning. Got loads in there. I'm over on the left hand side eventually, you see me? There we are, all the way down there. And there's mine up here. Looking bad. And another quick look round from a different angle. It was manic for the first 45 minutes. Didn't even have time to get a sip of water. God, so busy. I think nearly everybody sold nearly everything. Here's what I started off with, and here's what I ended up with. Cool. Well, I'll tell you what, it saves carrying a lot back to the car. Hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on the next video.